Namaste and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to do Malasan yogic squat or Garland pose. First, let me show you how does it look like. So, this is called Malasan or yogic squat or Garland pose. Growing up, I never thought that it could be an issue for so many people to sit in this position. I come across a lot of people who face challenges sitting in this position because of their tight hip muscles and stiff ankles. We need to understand that we cannot sit in Malasan if we don't have a great hip mobility. We do have a stiff ankle. So in this video, I'm going to tell you some ankle mobility and hip mobility drills that you should practice every single day without any fail, and you will master this Malasan so quickly. So let's get started. So if you guys have seen all of my videos, I always tell this thing that butterfly or this Badakon Asan is the easiest hip mobility asan. You have to practice this Badakon Asan or Titli Asan, like you can start from 50 to 100 times a day. The next stretch we have is a 90-90 stretch. For that, you have to spread your legs like this and bring your right knee to the center and your left knee like this. If it is possible for you, you can also bend your body forward. Again, your left knee to the center, and if it is possible, bend your body forward. You have to practice this 15 to 20 times. The next hip mobility drill is this Devi Asan or goddess pose. Just open your legs apart, your feet slightly outward, and just slide your hands on your legs and rest your palm on your knees like this and hold. Again, go up, slide your hands on your legs and rest on your knees. Again. You have to do this 10 to 15 times if possible. This will improve your hip mobility and come up. Also, I have uploaded a dedicated video on hip mobility routine in my channel. You can just click on the link here and can watch the full video. The next we're gonna do is some ankle mobility drills, that is this part, and for that what you need to do, just stand straight, bring your palm on the mat. Firstly, come on your right toe like this, then on your left toe and walk like this. This will improve your ankle mobility. The next ankle mobility drill is just stand straight, your hands on your waist, come on your toes, stretch your body up and hold. Come down, again come on your toes, and come down. Again, come on your toes, hold for 5 to 10 seconds and come down. Repeat this for 8 to 10 times. So I would say in the beginning, even after performing hip mobility and ankle mobility routine, it would not be that easy for you to sit in Malasan comfortably. So we're gonna do some modifications. For that, we need a block. You can also take a cushion or a brick, whatever you have. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna place the block here, and so firstly see the alignment how we're gonna do the malasan. So malasan is actually in malasan it's not like your feet are facing you. No, it's slightly outside, your knees apart, your spine straight, and if you want to make a namaste, you just push your knees back, and this is how a perfect malasan looks like, where your hip muscles are open, your feet are slightly outward. So this is how a malasan looks like. As I say, it would not be that easy for you to sit in malasan in the very beginning. So what we're gonna do, take this yoga block and we're gonna sit in this comfortably like this, okay, right? So we're gonna practice now. Your feet apart, slightly outward, like 10 to 20 degree apart, okay, and if it is possible for you, bring your feet closer and sit like this. What this gonna do, it gonna open your hip muscles, and it will also give you that alignment that your spine is erected and looks straight. When it is comfortable for you, just try to place your palm on the mat and lift your body like this. Again, sit in block, come forward, sit in block, again. So you have to actually practice this and practice like this. Practicing this will actually give you a sense of support that that something is out there under your hips and you are not gonna fall on the floor. So practice this, and when it is comfortable, you can just lift your palm up, make a fist and go forward like this and sit on the block. Again, so this you have to practice every single day so that you get this habit of sitting in malasan, because I'm telling you, malasan is actually a resting position which I think every human should be able to do. If you are not able to do this, it means your body actually needs movement, your body needs mobility, and it's not a good sign too that if you are not able to sit in malasan comfortably. Not to worry about, because if you will practice the hip mobility asana and some ankle mobility routine, you gonna master this actually. So not to worry about, and when this is comfortable for you, you can just remove the block and sit in malasan like this comfortably. I hope you find this video useful and gonna practice every single day. And if you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and do let me know what video should I make next. Till then, namaste, Hari Om.